Welcome. If you want to take a screenshot without using buttons on VIVO Y52 5G, we got two methods. The first one, we can use the sCapture option. So it will appear right here. Let me just reset. Okay, as default it will be appears right here. So when you click and select long screenshot and then tap to save, you will take screenshot without using these buttons. We got also another method, and we can find it in the settings, and it will be for the shortcuts and accessibility and sCapture. And take a look, we have to slide down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot. As you can see, the screenshot was taken. We can save by tapping right here. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.